Have you heard about this new cartilage scaffold that's been engineered to help regrow bone? It's like
Yeah,
a
absolutely.
blueprint that guides the body's own repair system, right?
Yeah, exactly. And what's really interesting is that they remove the cells but keep the natural structure and growth signals. It's like leaving behind the infrastructure for the body to rebuild.
Right, and that decellularization process is so clever. They preserve the extracellular matrix, which holds all the growth factors. It's like the original architecture stays and instructs the body on how to fix the damaged bone.
Yep, very smart. So basically, instead of using patient-specific cells, they go off the shelf with this engineered cartilage. That seems like a major shift from the current methods, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely, and that's one of the biggest perks. Instead of a tailor-made graft, which is expensive and takes a lot of time, these scaffolds can be produced in
Right,
advance.
that could
It's
reduce
a
costs a
universal
lot.
approach to bone repair.
What about immune reactions, though? It sounds too good to be true, but isn't there a risk of triggering the immune system when introducing a foreign scaffold?
That's the beauty here. The decellularized scaffold seems to have intrinsic immunosuppressive properties. It interacts with the immune system in a very controlled way so that strong immune reactions are minimized.
That's impressive. However, I'm a bit skeptical. Do you really think this will translate perfectly from animal models to humans? Sometimes these things work in one system, but face hurdles in human trials.
Good point, and the researchers are aware of that. They're gearing up for human clinical trials and are like standardizing production to ensure quality and safety at scale. It's a cautious yet optimistic step forward.
Right, careful scaling is key. It almost reminds me of using a standard set of Lego blocks where every piece fits perfectly no matter the design. The scaffold provides the essential pieces, and the body just snaps them together to rebuild the bone.
Exactly. It's like a prepackaged toolkit for bone repair. And considering that over 2 million people worldwide undergo bone graft procedures each year, a universal, off-the-shelf product could be a game changer.
And the fact that the scaffold is cell-free means it sidesteps the complications of harvesting and using patient cells. That's a huge plus for efficiency and reducing patient burden, right?
Yeah, totally. It's a shift from a personalized approach to something more scalable, and yet the natural cues are still there to guide bone growth.
That blend of bioengineering and natural healing is fascinating. So while we do need to watch for how it performs in humans, this innovation definitely opens up new doors for treating large bone injuries from trauma, cancer, or severe arthritis.
Right? And it's a huge step towards lowering the cost and time involved in current bone graft procedures. I mean, it's like we're entering a new era in tissue engineering, where the body's own repair system gets a little boost from some smart scaffolding.
For sure, it's an exciting time for regenerative medicine, and I can't wait to see what comes next as they move towards clinical trials.